Is someone videoing this?
Yes.
Who wants to go?
Who wants to stand by with the flaming t-shirt?
So from a fire extinguisher.
Yes!
I can feel the heat.
The idea behind this was not to have a flaming rag, but to have a little torch or an igniter, and then to have the drum kit, so 4 drums, and then as you played with one of them, it would then flame for you.
Those plants have flowers on the top.
It's potato vine, I wouldn't worry about it. So weed.
Here, who wants to come closer?
Let's make sure no one up there is. They're probably calling the fire brigade.